Welcome to your virtual tour. This property is brought to you by Karen McCartan-Foster of Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices, Parks and Weisberg Realtors. This adorable bungalow is in a convenient location. This home offers 3 bedrooms with a first-floor laundry, family room and living room, plus a spacious eat-in kitchen. There is a covered front porch for evening relaxation. A 36 by 10 bonus room is upstairs. Let your imagination run wild. The 200-foot deep lot houses a 20 by 26 detached garage with an attached carport. New carpet and paint make this home move-in ready. Don't let this rare opportunity pass you by. Priced for quick sale at $109,900.